Hey guys, this is Daniel with Grin Gaming, and we are going to be finishing up our CampFire tutorial on the modeling and particle effects. And so here is where we stopped at the end of making the fire particle effect, and now we're going to make the smoke particle effect. If you are noticing that the light's a little bit different, I did turn the directional light on at 0.07, so whatever, there it is. And then yeah, so to make the smoke, we're going to need to first make the sprite sheet like we did for the fire, and to do that you just do the same, like 1024 across, 256 tall, because it's going to be a 4x1 sprite sheet, and then just quarter it off with the guides, so 256, 512, and like 768. And then this one's a lot easier. Just go here, click on custom shape tool up here. So if you wanted like bunnies to pop out, you could put bunnies and they would pop out. So find this, because it's like a cloud, it's like smoke, and then add it. Want it to be white though. And so now it's added. If you click here and then click on this, if you hold Alt and click and drag, it will copy drag the item. Alt. And then that whole like trying to keep things on uniform so that maybe it doesn't create like a pattern that people can see. If you click on the edge and then right click, you'll be in the transform thing. And then if you go to like warp, you can warp the shape. And again, this is just, I don't think it really even matters that much, but it'll stop any pattern kind of thing from showing up where they'll say, oh my god, I can see the same frame playing over and over. That's not how smoke works. It's random. Hit enter to exit. Right click. Warp. You know, warp tool is also pretty cool just in general. And then we're done. And once we're done, we just go ahead and save it. Save for web. I guess you could just use the other one, but I like this one. PNG. Save. And then I already have the one in there, but whatever. Smoke 22. And once that's saved, which is taking a very long time, can open up Unity, drag it into the textures, and now we have our smoke puffs. So we have to go to materials, create material, smoke puffs, add it, and then remember we gotta turn off this, make it transparent with, again, I like mobile particles, additive, and then boom, done. So now we need to make another. You can always just go here and add component, create other particle system instead of empty game object and adding it. but whatever. Smoke. And so now we have our smoke one. And actually just add it to the fire. Or no, I'm not. Well, first I'm going to zero it out on the fire. And I'm going to remove it just so that the fire is not playing while we work on the smoke. So here's our smoke. And assumably we're going to want it up a little bit, so we'll say like right there. And then, yeah, let's get to work on the smoke one. We got to add the material. Just outputs the sheet because we haven't done this part. Texture sheet animation. And last time it was 4x4 because we had a grid 16 sheet, and now we just have a 4. So X goes to the side, Y is up. So X is 4, Y is 1 because we only go up 1. And so there's little poofs of clouds. And let's go ahead and I guess do the shape. The shape, we're going to stay with a cone, and then 10, and then leave the radius how it is for now. Can always mess with that later. For the emission, we gotta jump this up to like 300. It's a lot of clouds, right? And right now it's ending, and I'm pretty sure the reason that it's ending is that over the course of 5 seconds the max particles are being reached, and that is at 1,000 right now. So we can either lower the rate, we can lower the duration here, I guess, to 2. It shouldn't change now. Still does. And okay, so there we go. Change that, and then left that, and yeah, let's keep going. Getting worried there. So they're shooting up pretty super fast. Make them slower. And with smoke, I guess you could imagine that it starts out bigger and then dissipates. So with these lines, when you're doing a curve line, you can right click on the line and hit add key, and then you can drag the line, and then I don't know, we're gonna do something like that. Right now they're pretty coming out pretty poorly, but let's do this. Let's set that there. Move this down. Darker colors are more see-through. Let's also probably do like color over lifetime, and then make that some more see-through and gray as well. So just do like some gray. Here comes smoke pretty quickly. Let's make this gray, but only like there. And go ahead and turn down the alpha. Turn down the alpha. You can drag them away to delete them, and then turn up the alpha, the middle one. And yep, so I don't know, that's kind of good. Close that, and then over its lifetime we'll rotate it by 45 so it starts to spin. So I don't know if we'll be able to see it clear, but right now you see it kind of just goes straight up, and then you can see they kind of rotate. So I don't know, it's an effect whether you want to or not. I don't even know if it looks good, to be honest, but whatever, I'm doing it. And I'll do it between 2 constants so that it's more random. So we have our start size thing. Let's do size over lifetime, and let's do another thing like this. And see, so at the top it gets smaller. So there you go. It's pretty much it, to be honest, for this. You know, you can, again, you can mess with it more and more depending on what you want. Like, it doesn't really go up that much, so you can click on the shape, hit Q. Oh yeah. Anyways, you just gotta grab this, and then you can pull it up, and then, you know, it becomes thinner and thinner. You can make this wider. You can now add it to the fire to see what it actually looks like with the fire. So there's smoke, and make more smoke, and change Z to 0. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Tinker with it and fine tune it. These aren't like lining up quite how I feel I want them to, but I'm not quite sure what I need to change right now to fix it. Nope. So 270, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, there is the fire, and it has smoke. And then that is it, really, guys. I am going to conclude here. If you have any questions, let me know. So yeah, that's how you make fire particle effect, and that's how you make a smoke particle effect. The fire really does need to be fine-tuned more. I apologize for that. And yeah, so go ahead and fine-tune that and make it better. And yeah, so this has been Grin Gaming, and we appreciate all the subscribers. The next tutorial that I'm gonna make is probably gonna be some sort of massive digital clock looking thing in Maya, and Aaron is going to make a script that is a universal timer, and he's going to use that 3D model to demonstrate the timer on, and that way you guys will be able to learn how to make a timer, which you'll be able to add to any game ever, more than likely. And yeah, you'll learn how to make the digital clock. And yeah, so tune in, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.